Alright guys, so I'm doing an unboxing and a quick taste test of this Enjoy Life breakfast ovals. These are vegan, as you can see that. Free from lots of different allergens. You can see that right there. Oh, French. There you go. And here are the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. Here's the nutrient panel. That's the ingredients right there. Okay, let's do a quick taste test. We'll open this up. Now these are on sale, that's why I picked them up. Here we go. Okay, so I opened up. This one has a really nice berry aroma to it. Here we go. So, I did a review of the chocolate one already. It was actually pretty good. Had a nice banana bread sort of taste to it. This one, so they use dried cranberries for their and dried raspberries for their aroma. This one's not bad. You know, I'm gonna tell you, if I had to choose one, the chocolate one's slightly better, and the reason why is the chocolate one, because it's chocolate, it sort of melts in there, and it's not as dry. That's pretty much how I find it. This one's a little bit more dry than the other one, but it's not bad. It's not horrible. But the better one, I think, is chocolate. So, alright guys, if you have questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.